Hello, why I started this channel for education business. The education industry is changing faster than ever, but most of the education businesses are still using the strategies from 2025. The gap is exactly why I started. Hi, I'm Amol. I work closely with education consultant, coaching institute, LMS companies, and coaches. And over the years, I have noticed the one common problem. The most education businesses are doing great work, but struggling with visibility, student acquisition, trust building, and scalable growth. Marketing feels confusing, tech feels overwhelming, and AI feels very scary and overhyped. Why this channel exists? I started this channel to simplify all of that. This is not a motivational channel. This is not a theory-based heavy can. This channel is for all honest education businesses who want practical and modern growth strategy. What you will learn: the growth strategies for education consultant, scaling coaching institutes beyond word of mouth, LMS adoption and retention strategies, authority building for education coaches, marketing, systems, content, AI, and positioning, and of course, my own journey. If you work in education industry and believe in ethical growth and want sustainable result, you are in the right place. This channel is long-term play. This is not a T20 format. I'll see you in the next part. Thank you.